it look like a clean site. Quick video around. This one I'm finna hit up, man. We at Ages Arms. Finna see what the lane's talking about. I'll do some paperwork real quick. They got a nice little inventory.
Right, you got you have the 40s?
Set up at the ranch. Finna see what he's talking about. Finna light a little Osama. They in here too. Let's scatter shit. I caught the boy in his head. Hey, don't play with these Glocks, man. Don't play with them. They real. They the real. Finna send that boy back out there though. Light him up real quick. Man, this rain up, y'all probably can't hear me. Nah, y'all can hear me. I'm talking loud enough. This is where I was last time, about that far out. This is my first. No, this is my second time in indoor rain. This is my first door. First time. They is jumping up in here, man. God damn. But we about that far out though. Look like he loading up to go back out there. I like coming to the range, man. I play Call of Duty too much and I use my gun, so gotta get it in. It's gonna be one of my first videos, man. I don't got too much on my channel but recording for other people, so I'm gonna start doing it for myself, see how it go. Watch YouTube all the time, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal, man. But I'm shooting right now, Glock 23. It's a 40 cap. This boy fine though. Y'all know them 40s gonna bang. Got the standard clip in there right now, hole 13. We at this indoor range, so you know what I'm saying, you gotta shoot all brass. But a bullet is a bullet, it's gonna do what it do. My boy just dropped out there. Hey, they back to dumping, man. He back out there though. Finna see what he talking about. It's finna be a good day at the range, man. Y'all boys tap in.
Who that's for?
Okay then. The back right there. They letting Osama have it.
Yes, sir.
They letting Osama have it, man.
Gotta get it. Check me out, though.
Let's see what this is for.
Check me out, though.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh!
Little Osama ain't making too far, man.
Yeah, hell nah. That boy.
Little Osama got lit up. Osama got lit up.
Oh, baby. Ooh. That boy. I ain't got one out the body frame yet.
Yeah, he on him. He on him. He letting him have it.
I'm about to start aiming right here for the next go. I'm gonna let him have it right there.
Okay.
He for sure. He already dead, but
yeah, he didn't.
over.
He didn't make it. Hope he got money for his funeral, man. Let that boy have it, man.
You sent the whole clip?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I should have got 2 targets. That first take, I hit too many up here. Now I'm all on that boy. That boy knocking though. Knocked this boy hat off. I'm about to start shooting at the nose for the next one though. Test my aim a little bit. The nose and that beard coming next, so I'm finna hit for it right here.
Body shots, bro.
Finna go right there. Yeah. But finna test that 40 out. See what that 40 talking about.
20 yards, that shit's so far. Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Boy, this hoe.
It's that 40, man. That 40 gon' boom.
This got too much kick from me, bro. I don't like this.
It's that 40. that big dog.
Ew, that hoe got too much stump, boy. Damn. Nah, I don't know if I like that.
That 9 smooth, you like that 9 more?
Hell yeah.
Which one that is?
Fuck. 43? No, the 19.
That 19?
You wanna shoot that hoe?
Yeah, let me see what the hell talking about.
You already loaded.
Alright, bet. See? I'm tap in.
Ooh, boy, that's
See, I like that 19.
Nah, that hoe. That bitch was flashing right now. That's all I want to see. I said, let me just feel how it is to dump that hoe.
Man. I'm gonna go body shot. Now I'm gonna go in that big.
He gonna like this bitch, watch.
Let me see what it's hitting on. Oh yeah. Yeah, this one got a lot of control.
Oh.
That's smooth. That's real smooth.
Yo, boy, that bitch come all the way out like a revolver, nigga, like a Desert Eagle. I'm like, yo, let me adjust my grip.
Man. Hey, that 9 smooth.
Yeah.
I ain't hit nothing I thought I was finna hit though. I hit all over here. Close enough. Close enough. Body still got touched. Alright, that's where we at right now. Finna start aiming for down here though, in this little area in the body. Tag that body up some more. I done lit his hand up, lit his head up. Folks ain't make it. But, you know what I'm saying? Back to shooting that Glock 23, that big 40. Finna see what I do, man. You know, I like going to the range. Yeah, I'm finna get out real quick. Just a quick little something, man. Try to touch that body up real quick. I know it's kind of, y'all bear with me though. Set that boy up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Still. Comment that was a light gun, a picture gun, back to like
Oh yeah, y'all gonna like this one, man. Y'all is gonna like this one. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I just lit him up though. I told y'all what I was finna aim for. I think I did just that. So I'm learning. This gun's still new to me. This is my second time shooting it, but I told y'all what I was finna do. Got right to it. Exactly what I was aiming for. Oh, Simon, man, I feel bad for you, big dog. I feel bad for you, big dog. I'm finna take him back out there. Shoot a little more, man. I ain't gonna lie, I had Smith & Wesson and Ruger before I switched over to Glock. Glock shoots the best. Most Glock shoots the best, hands down. They just so smooth, man. Alright, I'm finna take it back out there. Finna aim for this hand right here. Just touch the body a little more. But this one finna aim at. You know what I'm saying? I'm certified with the Glock, man. Certified with the Glock. You know what I'm saying? 40. That's the best thing smoking right now. That's that big dog. That's when you official and you certified, man. But I like this range though. Nice clean range. You know what I'm saying? Can't complain about it too much. Nice little setup. They just dumping them up in here though. Hey everybody. We back active. Anyway, his gun's smooth. Way smoother than mine. His big ass shooting that hoe like a Nerf gun. God damn. Man. I'm having fun at the range though, man. Got a little bit of bullets left. Let me tap into them last couple. Finna hit that hand up real quick though.
But your big ass gun, boy.
I'm sitting back out. I told y'all what I was about to do with his hand though. I don't know what I'm for right now, but we're something out. It'll be alright. Let's see. That chin. My glass is foggy, bro. I don't know if I can take these off, but yeah. Let's see. I'm tripping. I ain't even loaded. There you go. What I told y'all for the aim for that chin, I had to come out the glass. I couldn't see them hoes getting foggy as fuck.
I forgot you ain't gotta use these hoes.
Oh yeah.
You got these riches on.
Touch that boy chin up a little bit though. I'm done aiming that shit. Now I'm just finna shoot the fuck out that hoe. Cause that shit dead. I'm gonna send it out back. Just let that hoe go. Ain't nothing else. Ain't. Well, go back some more. Oh shit, no I can't. Alright y'all, boy. There you go. Being that good, man. That was the last. I wanted to go crazy, but I ain't trying to get kicked out. I think I like this play. Can't let him kick me out though, man. I just finished up at the range. Had fun with that 40, man. I shot my boy 19. He got a 9. Had fun with that. Aegis Arms. I definitely recommend this place if you're looking for a nice indoor range in Houston. They got a pretty nice inventory. If you don't have nothing, you want to kind of rent something out and see what you're looking for. But in all, to wrap the day up, it was a pretty cool day. Shot about 100 rounds. Lit Osama up. I'm gonna show y'all. Well, y'all already see in the clips. I lit Osama up, but he ain't make it. But yeah, I had fun. Appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. And shoot, stay tuned. This is what we finna do.